Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring the premium solar charge. This one's good actually for ring light version 2. So we're going to set it up today because my ring light went out. So I got to replace the actual solar panel that I currently have. We're going to put this one to work. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, this is what it comes with, all right? It comes with solar panels, 2 solar panels here if you guys can see it. 3 solar panels on the top, nothing in the bottom. It has pretty much the original mounts. So if you have an existing ring light, you can take it off and just make sure you have enough clearance on either. If it's too close to the door, you're gonna have to move it, all right? So you can always use these 2 to actually move to the end and start 2 new holes. That's pretty much what people have done. They give you the screws, the mounts if it's drywall, and extra screws for the actual mount itself, because you are going to have to connect the actual ring light to it. The instructions are always available too, online and here paperwork too. So you notice, just follow the pattern. You could follow the pattern, and then this one has a type USB type micro USB to connect to the actual ring light. Remember, this is only for version 2 of the ring light, and I'm going to bring that out so you guys can see that. All right, first we're going to do a test run with the ring light itself. As you can see, the attachment, the USB type micro USB connects to it directly. There's a gap in there that actually fulfills this area, so you don't have to worry about removing anything. It actually fills in pretty good. And then all you got to do is charge this and make sure it's fully charged prior to setting it up, because we might not have sunlight for quite a while in certain areas, so make sure you fully charge it, because this will only obtain some of the charging. But if you're not getting the proper light, you're going to be ending up charging it manually. So just to give you a heads up on that part of it. All right, we're going to do a simple thing. We're going to install the first 2 holes, because I do have the existing one there, and they should be matching with the existing unit. So let's go ahead and do that and give you the screws. Let's go see if we find, and it has, the screws actually have little rubber ends, if you guys can see that. That's for the waterproof. All right, so we're going to do 2 first. Bring the camera closer so you guys can see 4 screws on 4 ends. We're going to do that right now, and that's pretty much calls it. And then the other ones, we have to do the external ones with the existing ones, so we're going to do that right now. So as you can see, we got 1, 2, and 3, and 4. We're going to set them up. 2 more are missing, but it shows you a little picture exactly how to lock it in from the top, and then underneath you're going to screw 2 more. Right, that's important. 2 more screws in the bottom that need to be on, so it can lock it in so nobody can steal this. All right, so there's a lock here on the top and a lock in the bottom. So let's, all right, as you can see, we're going to plug it in right now, and then we're going to secure the actual screws too. So let's go and plug it in. It's still doing its update. Plugging it in. Now we're going to remove all the stickers too. Oh shoot. Now what you want to do is want to make sure it's tucked in the top. See the top in there? Make sure we got the plenty of space. Push it from the top. There we go. And then we lock it in the bottom underneath, so they won't steal it. If you can see, the larger one used to take over all the way over here. Now this one's the real estate's a lot smaller, so I like that. It's actually compact. Let's see how long it's going to charge us